Hi guys! So, it's Halloween! Well, kind of. It's almost Halloween and it's Halloween mystery box unboxing. So, I have literally just done this look, obviously. You know, I just did it just for this. No, I have a tutorial on this Halloween look on my channel already. It'll be up here for you. Oh no, it won't be. Keep an eye out for it. It'll probably be up on Halloween. I don't know. I don't know which one I'm going to do first, but if it's up already, it'll be up here. If not, then it'll be up soon. I want to try and get it up before Halloween, but we all know that that may never happen. So anyway, yeah, I have been waiting for this mystery box for a little while, and oh god, give me a second. Let's get comfy. Okay, so I ordered the mystery box on launch with everybody else and managed to get myself the deluxe mystery box, the middle tier one at $75, and it arrived the other day. Okay, so a few things with this box. Mine's like covered in stuff on the front, that's why I keep showing you the bottom. I'm just going to read you some. If you're from the UK and have never ordered a mystery box before, God, I really hope this isn't too distracting. If you're from the UK and you have never ordered one of these mystery boxes before and you want to order one, this is for you. If you're not from the UK, this probably won't apply, so you can skip it if you like. But this is my experience with ordering a mystery box. This is the second time I've done this. I don't know why I didn't learn from the first time, but anyway. These ones just look too good to pass up. I didn't get the last ones or anything like that. But anyway, so I paid $75 for this. Let me just double check some stuff. So these cost $75. With me getting mine to the UK, it was $26.36 shipping. So that comes to $101.36. I will tell you exactly how much this ended up costing me. Right, then a little letter comes through the door saying that I owed the post office money, and the VAT on this ended up being £12.82, and then Royal Mail have a handling charge of £8. So I then had to pay another £20.82. So this box, this $75 box, ended up costing me about, I don't know, £100. Depending on what the exchange rate actually was when it was calculated. So these are not $75, which would make it sort of like 60 odd pounds for us. They're not. They are more expensive if you order from the UK because you've got a whopping big, great big delivery charge, and then our lovely government decide to charge us VAT on it as well. So anyway, after all that, I opened it because I had seen that people were having issues with the highlighter. The only reason I opened it was because if my highlighter was broken, I wanted to get it fixed ASAP. My highlighter is broken. So I contacted customer services and they were very good. They just said that I had to send them, God, this highlighter everywhere again. I had to send them a picture of the highlighter and my kind of shipping label, and they would get another one sent out. I'm pretty sure I saw Jeffree put on Twitter that they had stock just in case this happened. But I got an email back that said that they're awaiting stock. So they're obviously a lot of them broke and they didn't have enough back stock to replace them. I mean, mine is a mess. It's a mess. It really is not good. I'm annoyed because the shade is beautiful. I'm going to see if I can do anything with it, but I really don't think I'm going to be able to. Every time I open it, it just sort of explodes everywhere. But yeah, so it came with the highlighter. We know that. I mean, I've seen everybody's pretty much unboxing. To be fair, for paying £20 shipping, now I know that it's probably about £12 to £13 to ship something like this, because I ship for giveaways and stuff like that. This is how it was packaged. There's 2 pieces of tissue paper and a t-shirt to kind of like keep it all safe. So really, to be honest, I'm not surprised that the highlighter broke because there's enough room in this box for stuff to bounce about. So my one bit of feedback would maybe be just a few more bits of tissue paper just so that nothing moves around, or bubble wrap or something, you know, like something that just so it won't move around. Anyway, so I spoiled the first one. We know what is in these boxes, so it's just at this point I just really want to unbox it. So we have the Can't Relate t-shirt. I really hope that I'm not just about to cover it in highlighter. I got mine in the size small. They are quite oversized. It is the sort of Halloweeny one. I'm really glad that I got this one. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm pretty sure there's green ones and orange ones, so you could have gotten one or the other, I think, anyway. But yeah, I really like that. I do like that t-shirt, so I'm glad I got that. We have Liquid Frost in the shade Goddess. Why won't it come out? Okay. This one is a very, very, very gold shade. So, yeah. It's a really deep shade. So all you darker skin tone lovelies out there will have a cracking highlighter. And for the peely wallies like me, I think I'll mix this in with like moisturizers or mix it in with my foundation to get sort of like a bronzy glow. I'll definitely be using it, that's for sure. Next we have a lip ammunition, and this one is in Candy Freeze. I have one other lip ammunition and it is like super duper pink. I love the packaging of this. Look at that. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh my god. Can't wait till you see this. This is the one I got in the last mystery box. They're like twins. It's a pink right now. I have to decide, am I keeping this or am I love how they smell. No, I'll never use it, so I'm going to put this in my giveaway, my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So that is Candy Freeze lip ammunition. Even, I mean, if you don't use it, it's a really nice sort of collectible, so I'm going to put that to the side. Yeah, that one still smells good. I mean, this one, all it's done is sat there, so I don't want another one just to sit there and look pretty. One of you guys would get more use out of it than I will. Then we have Hi Sky. Then we have the gloss in Sky High. And this looks like a clear gloss with sort of, with like a greeny sort of reflect in it. Can you see that? That's really cool. Okay, so I'm going to keep that. I've swatched it anyway, but I'm going to keep that just purely because I don't actually have any lip glosses and I really do want to start wearing them. We have a Velour Liquid Lipstick in Soft Serve. I am so glad I got this shade. Don't get me wrong, the other shades did look really nice, but I wanted a wearable shade. And I'm so glad because the last one I got a really nice wearable shade as well. There we go. It's like a kind of peachy pink. Yeah, I'll definitely wear that. I'm so glad that I got that one. I know what this is. So I'm gonna just absolutely ruin it. I think it is pretty cool that he put one of his mini breakers in every box. I'm gonna open it up just to make sure. I mean, it's packaged beautifully. I wish that it was, the highlighter was packaged so well. So that is it there. And it's like purples and orange and neutrals. I really like that. So this may end up in the giveaway. I don't know yet. I'm going to see, because it might end up as a Christmas present for one of my family members. I'm going to see what all I've got for the giveaway and it may end up in there. So subscribe if you want to be in with a chance of winning my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. This may be in it, but when I do the video, I'll decide on what I'm going to put in it. And then I think this is like my favourite thing of the whole box. Oh, I've been wanting one of these for ages. So everybody got a mirror, and I think they were all the same. So they were all the orange mirror. Oh, wow. Wow, that's like a really, really good quality mirror. I love the way it's packaged. Look, it's got like a foam insert and everything. So I now have a Jeffree Star mirror. I'm so happy. It's so cool. The quality of these is really good. I mean, I think they're like $20 or something like that. but we all got an orange and black sort of, look, it matches me. So we all got a handheld Jeffree Star mirror. I have seen the Shane Dawson collaboration mirrors and they look stunning. The little piggies, I want me one of those. They're so cute. Anyway, yeah, that's going to be my next purchase from Jeffree Star, is the collaboration. I think that it's going to be fab. But that is it. You've probably seen a million of these by now, but I just wanted to throw mine in there. So yes, we are about 40 subscribers away from 2,000 subscribers. It's taken a really flipping long time to get here, but I have like a huge giveaway. There's going to be lashes, there's going to be Jeffree Star lipsticks, there's going to be palettes from Revolution, there's going to be, what else was there? Can't even remember. There's loads of stuff. So there may even be a Jawbreaker palette depending on how much I decide to put in it. Because really this palette, I have way too many palettes, and for me to justify being able to get the Shane palette, the Conspiracy palette, or whatever it ends up being called, I just can't fit any more in my drawers. So I know I'm definitely not going to keep this. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I am delighted that I got this box. I really am. To be honest, it's not as good value as like some of you guys are getting it in the US. You're getting a phenomenal value. I wish that he would do like a release on his website and on a UK distributor, or like a distributor that would do some other countries as well, so that the shipping wasn't so high. Just like a limited amount or whatever, because you know, like it is sort of obviously a wee bit more difficult for him, but I do just wish that there was sort of like a way that they could do it to just take the price down a wee bit, because not only are we paying shipping, we're paying VAT as well. Now, if we were to buy that for £75 over here, the VAT is included. So, you know, we're paying extra for it. So that box wasn't like 60 quid, it was like, so $75 right now is £58. If you add on 58, 60, so it would make it £70 for us. So technically we're paying $90 for that box, if that makes any sense. And then shipping on top of that, sorry, that wasn't including the shipping, so then you're paying shipping on top, so $110. So you're $110 for the box when you guys are getting it free domestic shipping, $75. So don't get me wrong, totally still worth it, but not as good a deal as people get, you know, in the same country. So yes, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sorry it was such a mess, but if you enjoyed this video, obviously I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos 3 times a week, usually Monday, Wednesday and Friday, but not always. So hopefully I will see you guys in the next one, and don't forget to tune back in for my giveaway. Let's get to 2,000 before Halloween. I doubt that's going to happen, but maybe we push. Good idea. Bye guys.